Never really understood what projectile motion is? Well, let's solve this using a simple story. A cricketer hits a six and everyone's celebrating. But wonder what happens here? Well, when a six is hit, the ball follows the path of a parabola which goes up and then comes down. And this motion of a projectile, which is in the form of a parabola, can be split into two motions like every slanted journey using vector. So when a ball is hit upwards with an initial velocity of v0 at an angle theta from the horizontal, it starts its journey. The initial velocity will have two components, which is the horizontal component and the vertical component, given by v0 cos theta and v0 sin theta. This is done using the resolution of vectors. Watch the video to understand this better. As the ball moves forward, we can see that the acceleration that is caused in this ball is purely due to gravity given by g, which will be negative as it will be acting downwards. And the final position and the velocity of the object will be given by the equations of motion and again split into two motions of x and y, since every slanted journey can be split into two motions. Now we know here that ax is 0 because there is nothing in the horizontal axis which is causing the acceleration. And if we substitute for v0 y and v0 x as v0 sin theta and v0 cos theta, we get that the final position or the distance travelled in the x-axis as v0 cos theta into t, and the final distance travelled in the upward direction as v0 sin theta t minus half gt square. And the final velocity will be v0 cos theta, and the final velocity in the y direction will be v0 sin theta minus gt. Similarly, apart from them, we can determine a few characteristics of this motion, such as the range of motion, the maximum height the ball will reach, time of flight, which is the time taken to cover the range, and time to reach maximum height, which is the time taken to reach the maximum height. The range is given by v0 square sin 2 theta by g. The total time of flight is given by 2 v0 sin theta by g, and maximum height is given by v0 sin theta whole square by 2g. The time to reach maximum height is given by v0 sin theta by g. This explains the complete projectile motion. Hope this has solved your query on projectile motion. Subscribe to this channel for more such quick concepts and to understand them better.